Hey, Brandon. Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
We bring you detailing information
And other automotive goodness.
and...
Wait, you're Brandon, right?
That's right, yeah.
And I'm Ryan.
I had to think about... Yes, Brandon here, Ryan there.
Yeah, thank you for joining us.
That's who we are.
Hey, do we want to ask our viewers for a favor?
We do ask for a favor, and you can do it after you watch the video and make your decision. We know a lot of you do it for us because you come back and watch us, and we really appreciate you guys. If you like the video, the like button, it's thumbs up. If you wouldn't mind subscribing, that way you know when we put out new videos. It's been a little bit, but we're back. We told you we'd be back. And then what's the other thing? Merch.
Oh, yeah, if you want to help support us a little bit, yeah, we've got merch. The link's in the description.
That's below the video, guys.
We appreciate it.
All right, now we're moving on to today.
Yeah.
So we're talking a new detailing product here. I don't know how new the product is, but new to us.
Yes.
We've got the Cerakote brand ceramic trim coat restoration kit. And this lies right up something we just talked, we were talking a lot about this because we brought this product out, right?
Yeah.
Like, this is an area of vehicles that is so hard for people to keep looking great. Do you know what I mean? It's just, it's not easy. There's not a lot of product that holds up.
The plastic trim.
Yeah, so we tested a product similar to this a little while ago, the Lithium Graphene cubes. Restoration cubes. It worked beautifully. Very good product.
Highly recommend.
We're kind of hoping we get the same result from this product.
Yeah, because, I mean, literally for about 45 minutes, Brandon and I have talked about the struggles with keeping plastic trim on our vehicles looking good. And up until very recently, it's still a challenge.
Everything you ever put on there was very temporary. Like a month, maybe 2 months if you're lucky and get something a little stronger, but it washes off.
It really does.
And it looks streaky and it's ugly. So for all you Aztec Avalanche lovers out there, Jeeps, even pickup trucks,
the unpainted plastic fenders.
Yeah, the fenders and the front bumper. You said the front bumper. There's a lot of that. And think black plastic step pads.
All that. I mean, it starts to look that disgusting, uneven, milky color.
Yeah.
And you put the nice trim detail spray on it, and then a week later it's washed off.
And you know what back in the day, the products you use on that, do you remember how they'd attract dirt sometimes too?
Oh, good point.
And it would look disgusting. It'd be like brown. Of course, we live in the desert, so it's a little worse here. But it'd be brown. And you're like, I put some dressing type stuff on there and it's disgusting now.
Exactly. You put it on, you go for a drive, you come back and it's like, oh my gosh, what the heck?
Yeah.
But yeah, so these new products, so I'm looking forward to...
These are actually coatings.
Yeah, and it's ceramic based, so that nice durable protection. And
let's open it up. Oh, yeah. And we're going to talk about it some more. And hey, shout out. Keith, you didn't tell us this was coming, but we know it's from you. We talked about it a little bit though, the product, so we figured that's who sent us that special Amazon package.
Yeah.
So thank you, Keith. All right, let's get this out.
Thank you.
Gloves.
Yeah, you definitely want to protect your hands.
We got a card here. We got a card going by with some music for us.
Yeah. And while you're unpacking that, it's packets. Nice.
We got our packets
and
there.
more packets.
More packets. You get 10 total packets. For this kit.
Yeah.
So
they're wipes, right? Why don't you go ahead and...
Let's look here. We've got, well, I'm going to tell you one coat lasts for 200 washes or more guaranteed. Just one coating. So yes, 10 application wipes and a pair of gloves are what's included in the kit. It says, do not apply in direct sunlight. Trim must be cool to touch. Obviously needs to be cleaned and dried. So that's important.
Yeah.
You wipe on. Pre-moistened applicators make it easy to apply Cerakote trim coat. Trim coat, it restores and protects oxidized, unpainted plastic trim to like new luster and shine.
Unpainted.
That's important.
Because some of the newer vehicles over the last few years have now painted black, shiny, with a clear on them. So
don't want to be doing anything with paint with this type of product. This is a different type of coating.
And while you're looking at that, I was just noticing on this card, they have a set of instructions on here. And they even have a QR code to an instructional video.
Oh, nice. But I love instructional videos. Well, hence what we're doing.
We're a part of YouTube.
But I love that. It's great when manufacturers do that because that really helps. Because that's the first place you're going to go look. You're not going to necessarily look for Ryan and Brandon's video.
Right. Yeah. Well, now you will, of course. But yeah. But I just wanted to kind of jump over to this real quick.
It's up here too. I just noticed. So it's on the box as well.
And the instructions are here and on the box. Very nice. But at the beginning of these instructions, it says, take a before photo of your trim. I love that.
They
at
know
the
it's
end of the
better.
instructions, it says, take an after photo of your trim. Brilliant. Oh, and it also has a big important right here. I just want to touch on this.
Yeah, what's important?
Well, both sides say important because it is. It says, this is a permanent product only for use on unpainted exterior plastic trim. Please follow all instructions. And again, the QR code.
So don't use it on your door panel.
No, not
your interior door panels. Oh,
exterior plastic trim, unpainted.
Or your dashboard, that would be a bad idea.
Yeah, do not do that.
Okay, so we talked about washing, drying, apply, wear the gloves, overlapping passes. I think we've covered it. I think it's time to grab our avalanche panel that we use. Get it out here and let's put some on and see what it looks like. What do you say?
I'm going to grab some gloves and...
You put on your exam gloves. Hey,
Yeah.
I don't know if I showed the box. Check that out. Oh, those letters.
The letters. But look, I'm using like the corner.
Okay, yes.
Not that a lot of trim has this detail, but it goes on very easy. The wipe is very saturated. Like I feel like I could do easily maybe 2 avalanche panels easily with one wipe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this. Goes on very easy. It's looking great. It's going on even. There's no streaking.
Look at that. That stuff's shiny and beautiful.
Let's see. Yeah, looking good. Gosh, I've only used 2 sides of this. I feel like they give you a lot of product.
You could easily, with 10 of those
I feel
wipes, you're going to be
confident.
able to cover your vehicle and then maybe then some. That area.
And it's what, about a 30-minute
cure time.
cure time.
Yeah. All right, so we're going to revisit this panel, kind of give you guys, like we did before, we'll see how it's holding up in our UV intense environment here.
Because this panel sits outside.
It sits outside.
So it's not on a driven vehicle, obviously, but it is out there in the weather and in the intense sun.
So we will revisit that, and I think that kind of wraps up this video.
Really all. Yeah, thank you for joining us.
Appreciate
for this
you guys.
Quick video. Yeah, thank you.
And thank you, Keith, again. Appreciate you. Rockstar.
And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
Yeah, later, guys. No, really,
No, it's okay.
Hey, we're on there.
Hey, it's us again. Okay.
The GoPro's going to overheat again.
Yes.
It gets hot and it just shuts off and says, F you, I'm done. We will retouch, or revisit, I should say. That was weird to say retouch.